Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you that how you can extend your C drive. Okay, sometimes the C drive space go we have a little bit C drive space and we need more C drive space. So how we can do that? Okay, so you can see the C drive here and we have two other drives. Okay, two other drives. Okay, so how can I extend more? This is currently 59 GB, and how can I extend more? So how can you delete these two drives and add to this one? Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, let's right click on it and let's right click on this PC, and you can see here the option uh, show me more option. Okay, and here click on manage, and when you click on manage, the computer management will open. Okay, here you can see the disk management option here. Okay, so we have C drive, we need to extend more. Okay, it's 59 currently, 59 GB currently. Okay, we want to extend more. Okay, so first of all we have this unwanted partition, so we want to delete it. Okay, so just right click on it and delete the volume. Okay, yes, now we have deleted one volume. You can see here we have deleted one volume, and now I want to add this one volume 1.69 49 GB to this one. Okay, so just right click on it, and you can see the extend volume option here. Click on it, and next how much I want to extend. So it's automatically selected. Okay, so let's add next and finish. When I do that, you can see it's become 60 GB. Okay, so the volume merge with the C drive, so we have extended our C drive. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.